to share my story. So thank you so much. Thank you.
We are looking forward to it, and we are looking forward to have a lot of nuggets to learn from you through your story, through your experiences and insights.
Definitely. सारे share करूंगी सारे.
Look forward, Soma.
Yes.
Sherry sir believes in one thing. Every life is a story. So it is onto an individual how emotionally and how beautifully he can connect it with the audience. Hello, Sukhvinder sir.
Let's welcome Baneet also. Hi Baneet, nice to see you here.
Hi sir, author Sherry sir, how are you?
Fantastic.
So nice
All
to
good.
connect once again.
Lovely, good to have you.
Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward for the session. I just saw it in the group, and I was all excited for it. So looking forward.
Oh yes.
And Soma, we are super excited because even we are having our kids along with us.
Yeah. I'm also super excited. Definitely.
Good.
Just wanted to check, sir, how are you? How's family? How's everyone? All participants and their family doing?
Yeah, everyone is fine, keeping safe, and yes, some stories I've heard. Some things are happening, but yes, that's fine. That's part of life.
Yes. Yes.
आना जाना लगा हुआ है लोगों का, but yes, hopefully by grace of God, we shall overcome this crisis. This too shall pass.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Have to stay mentally positive, mentally very strong, because I have seen and I've spoken with a lot of people who have been through this entire situation, and trust me, mental strength is one of the key aspects, along with your treatment, along with your care, along with your family love. So mental strength is very strong, and I think that is the portion we are covering here at PSI very much.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, let's welcome Akash Ujuvane, right? Hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, Akash. Hi, Payal.
Yes, yes, correct.
So, Akash,
Good evening, everyone.
very good evening.
Good evening, Payal.
Good evening.
Welcome, Kara ma'am. Very good evening.
Hi, Kara.
Very good evening, sir.
Hi, Kara ma'am. Good evening.
Very good evening. How are you, Payal ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you after a long time.
Yes.
Happy evening, Kara ma'am.
Happy evening. How are you?
Doing good. Nice to see you all after like last week we missed. And
So, shall we start?
Yes, I think so, because it's already we are on time actually. So I think we can wait for another 2 minutes or probably take your call.
I think we should start here. Good evening, everyone. I, Deepak Srivastav, welcome you to the 12th learning session organized by the PSI, the Public Speaking Institute community, with a vision to bring eminent speakers from different fields who can add value to your life by sharing their knowledge and situations they have been through using the power of communication. On your screen now, we have Shri Kuljit Singh Arora ji, who has left for heavenly abode on the 9th of May, 2021. And he is father of our beloved author Sherry sir. Let's join together to pay homage to him. And I would also like to add that his words would always enlighten our life. And I would reiterate two of his quotes. First one, respect your mom always. And second one is, don't take time to say sorry and thank you. So may Vaheguru Ji give him the best place in the heaven, and we all pray for his blessed soul. Before we start, as we have some new members, so I would like to give you a bit of insight about the vision, mission, and objective of our PSI community. The vision of PSI is to have at least one public speaker in every home who can inspire the family. Vision of PSI is curated by our great author Sherry sir, and his mission is also the mission of PSI community. And this is to create 1 million public speakers by year 2030. You got it right, 2030. The objective of PSI is to promote and communicate the public presentation skills, effective communication, storytelling skills, etc., etc. The list is too long. And I take pleasure to inform you that this wonderful PSI community, we have professional speakers, public speakers, anchors, authors, coaches, trainers, influencers, startup business owners, professionals, as well as educators too. You are requested to please maintain the decorum of the forum and do not unmute yourselves unless you are invited or asked, and keep your question and answers for the session at the end. So before I move on, I would like to welcome all the new members on behalf of the PSI core community, and allow me to reintroduce our own author Sherry sir, the personality behind PSI. He's not just my mentor, but a well-known international public speaking coach and mentor who has created 15,000 plus public speakers and is on a mission to create 1 million public speakers. By when? 2030. He is also founder and president, MS Talks India, a public speaking platform given to 20,000 plus speakers across the world, and is 8-time international TEDx speaker, 3 times Joe Stock speaker, and author of international bestsellers. I would like to add that he belongs to a family of 4 generations of authors, where his dad, his wife, his daughter, and he himself are well-known authors, and they have recently filed for the Limca Book of Records. May I request everyone to please unmute, and let's give a big round of applause for our own author Sherry sir.
Thanks, everybody. Thank you, Deepak.
One of his more dream I would like to share with you, and that is nothing else that he is pioneering and going to give India its very first and own public speaking university. Wow, that's great. Now, before we move ahead, I would like to focus on an important aspect in the life. That connection is must for every individual. I would also like to wish all the girls and ladies present here a very happy Mother's Day. Connection, or we say bond, ये बनाने के लिए हमारे को सब लोगों की जरूरत पड़ती है, बट ये बनाना हमें कौन सिखाता है? ये बनाना हम सीखते हैं अपनी माँ से। इसलिए मैं 2 लाइनें माँ के लिए कहना चाहूंगा। माँ से ही जीवन मिलता है, माँ से ही जीवन खिलता है, माँ से ही जीवन मिलता है, माँ से ही जीवन खिलता है। कहने को तो हम संपर्क बनाते हैं बहुतों से, कहने को तो हम संपर्क बनाते हैं बहुतों से, पर संपर्क बनाना इंसान माँ से ही सीखता है। As the great Aristotle had said, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. And all this also is the topic of the evening. Mothers, love and live yourself. I would like to invite a mother who's well-known motherhood coach, and her experience shared as a podcast on child health and mother's lifestyle has over 5,000 downloads across the world. Wow, that's a big figure. So please unmute yourself and join me to welcome Mrs. Soma Thakur and let her unfold what is best for yourself as a mother. Soma, please take up.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shoma Thakur. I'm a podcaster and a mother coach. So today I'm here. I would like to thank everybody, whoever is invited me here to speak about my life. I think I can, talk in Hindi and English both. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So my journey starting, let me share my story from where I come, what I am. तो वहां से मैं शुरू करना चाहती हूँ, कहाँ से मैं आती हूँ. I come from a place called Andaman, जो लोगों ने ज्यादा सुना भी नहीं है. It's become a very tourist destination to everyone nowadays. But before 10 years and 20 years when I was in school, I come from a place where you can't find any mall or kind of, it's very small city in Andaman where I born up. I bought there, and there was a place. जब मेरी schooling हुआ करती थी, I was not even having a TV and all anything. It was just a place, school or ghar, that kind of environment. I used to be grown up there. तो मेरी schooling government school में हुई है. My dad was a teacher, government school में थे वो भी. So from there my life started, and slowly things are going. I was a very normal girl, जो एक ऐसी जगह पे I was born where there was not any infrastructure. There was only a school or offices where you can work. It's like a completely government environment where I used to, because my dad was a teacher, and everything was like very एकदम middle class family जैसे होते हैं, मतलब that kind of environment I used to brought up. And slowly things were going up, and मैं जब 9th standard में आई, then I got we got our first TV at home, जो black and white हुआ करती थी, Dynora TV. I there तो तब पता चला कि टीवी क्या होती है. we never seen that before. कभी देखा ही नहीं था. रेडियो पे ही पूरी लाइफ चली गई. And when I was in 9th standard, I used to watch one serial, not a serial, one show called Carrier, जो 5 बजे शाम को, it used to come in the DD channel. So there they used to show कि how this hotel industry and tourism industry is growing, and how you can take your life somewhere else. If you're in a city, you can grow so much. So that dream started going on in my head since then कि मुझे आगे कुछ करना है. If I'll be in this village, I'll not be able to grow. मतलब मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So that thinking was always keeps on going in my head. And I realized that after finishing my schooling, I need to go out from Andaman. I need to do something. बाहर की दुनिया कुछ अलग ही है. मैं यहाँ रहूंगी तो I'll not be able to do that. So that's how I finished my 12th in government school, जहाँ पे पापा की स्कूल हुआ करती थे. And from there I realized that कहाँ पे tourism के colleges है, which can be very near to Andaman also. So I have chosen a Pondicherry University, जो चेन्नई में है. I have taken a great decision. My dad was not fully convinced that I have to घर से निकल के इतना दूर जाना and study. My brother was studying that time. and I realized no, I have to go, otherwise मुझे भी वही पापा जैसे स्कूल करनी पड़ेगी, या तो I need to work in some small offices and all जो government employee हुआ करती थी. So I was completely against that and I realized that मेरी life बाहर है, मैं यहाँ रहूंगी तो मैं दूसरों जैसे ही either I'll be a housewife or I'll be a office clerk or I'll be a teacher. I have no other option. So I made up my mind. मुझे इंग्लिश भी ठीक से नहीं आती, frankly speaking. मैंने 6 तक बंगाली मीडियम क्लासेस में पढ़ाई की. उसके बाद जब एनसीईआरटी के सारे बुक 7th से इंग्लिश हो गए, आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू कोप अप, एंड कंप्लीटली इट वाज अ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल. तो मेरे लिए वो स्ट्रगल तभी से शुरू हो गई थी, बट आई रियलाइज दैट मुझे बाहर जाना है और मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है. तो मैंने कैसे भी करके आई रियलाइज, एंड मैंने इंग्लिश सीखी घर पे बैठ के. 12th के एग्जाम्स के बाद आई यूज्ड टू सिट वो सारे ग्रामर के बुक लेके, and I make sure that I learn and I know how to talk to the people. अगर मेरे सामने कोई खड़ा होगा, if somebody is in front of me, I should know how to talk in English confidently. Otherwise, I'll not be able to do anything. तो वैसे मैंने सीखा, and I took admission in Pondicherry University after so many talks with my dad. पौंडीचेरी यूनिवर्सिटी में मैंने ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म की ही कोर्स ली, बिकॉज आई नो उसके मतलब जैसे मैंने देखा था वो कैरियर उस पे कि देयर इज अ ग्रेट फ्यूचर अहेड ऑफ दिस, आप बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो फ्लाइट में, देयर वाज लाइक सो मेनी ड्रीम्स, एंड आई टुक एडमिशन इन दैट बैचलर ऑफ ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म मैनेजमेंट इन पौंडीचेरी यूनिवर्सिटी. So that's how my life started, outside of Andaman. And slowly I completed my bachelor's degree. I was having English issues, but I make sure that I'll conquer that. Second year, I was having a great presentation on tourist transportation, and everybody was like so confident because few of my classmates were coming from an English medium convent school. But for me, that government school was so it was not actually helped me to learn, because it was all कहीं तो बंगला मैंने पढ़ लिया था, and half of my school I was learning English. तो मेरे लिए, but I make sure that I learn it because मुझे पता था अगर मुझे आगे टूरिज्म कंपनी में या तो ट्रैवल या फ्लाइट डिवीजन में मुझे कुछ करना है तो मुझे इंग्लिश आना ही चाहिए. तो आई फिनिश्ड माय दिस थिंग एंड आई मेक श्योर दैट आई डू ऑल द जो प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे मेरे, मैं उसको फेस करूंगी, एंड मैं इंग्लिश सीख के देन आई बी एबल टू कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट कॉलेज. So I start doing that presentations देना मैंने शुरू किया, and that was the first time I got confident कि मैं दे सकती हूँ. इंग्लिश में मैंने दिया था, I still remember, टूरिस्ट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के ऊपर मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन थी, and successfully I was able to do it because मैंने बहुत मेहनत की थी उस पे. And it was a time I realized that now I got confident, और इसके बाद then मेरी अभी जर्नी शुरू होगी. I wanted to work with some of the biggest companies जो ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म की कंपनी हुआ करती थी. And I started checking कि कौन सी कंपनी में I'll get a good job. And after coming out from college, Pondicherry University, I started working in a company called SOTC, जो बहुत अच्छा कर रही थी. That year was 2006. 2006 was the year when I started working with SOTC. I was working as a sales, in sales I used to work. I used to took the challenge to sell those packages in all those packages for European packages, Egypt, Southeast Asian countries, all those. I learned it, and I successfully started my career with a company called SOTC. Then I realized that SOTC, I was not getting a good salary, and somewhere I thought after working 2 years I need to move ahead. नहीं करूंगी तो मेरा लाइफ आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, because when you are out of the house और आपको सब कुछ अकेले ही मेंटेन करना पड़ रहा है, like taking care of the rent house, आपके transportation expenses, your food, everything. So you need to be very cautious कि मुझे ज्यादा पैसे ही अभी कमाना है, otherwise it would be very difficult for me to move ahead in a metropolitan city. I started working in Chennai. So after few years of working there, I realized meanwhile my brother finished his engineering and he got a good job from Reliance Mumbai. So I shifted from him with him in Mumbai. I realized that मुझे मुंबई जाना है, because मुंबई में अगर if I'll move, then I'll be able to get a good salary. So I came with a great hope, but there was always a स्कैरीनेस इनसाइड, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुंबई में अगर मैं जाऊंगी पता नहीं मुझे कौन जॉब देगा, पता नहीं मुंबई, it has always a bad notion about कि मुंबई में I don't know I'll be able to sustain or not, but since my brother was there, but then I thought कि let's go with you, since you have already got a job, I will also go with you, I'll not stay here. So I moved from Chennai to Mumbai. I came here, and through one of my friend I got a reference in Thomas Cook, that is also one of the biggest company. I got a chance there, and I went for interview and I got cleared. I posted in NRI sales. I used to sell those packages to the NRI Indians who are staying in Gulf markets like Kuwait, Muscat, Dubai, Sharjah, all these places, Bahrain, all these places. I used to coordinate with them sitting in Mumbai office, Thomas Cook, and I used to work for those agencies who are there. So that was a great thing. I slowly, started moving towards. Uh, I got a promotion, and there was one more company has called me. In meanwhile, I finished 2 years in Thomas Cook, but then I thought that there was not that satisfaction on the work, because it was also very monotonous work. Every day you're coming and sending those details. तो कहीं भी वो inspiration वाली वो नहीं हो रही थी. Every day basis I was working, but then I thought that meanwhile मेरे मतलब it was there in my mind that मुझे इस साल तक कुछ ना कुछ I mean आगे की 2-3 सालों में I need to achieve certain thing कि मतलब मुझे ही खुद अच्छा लगे कि where I started और मैं कहाँ हूँ आज. तो वो सारी चीजें it was continuously going in my head, and फिर luckily बोलते हैं जब आप सच में कुछ चीजों के बारे में आप सोचते हो, कहीं ना कहीं से वो definitely वो help आ ही जाती है. तो there was a company, one of my friend was there and he was a GM in Chennai office. So he started his own company, और उसको जब ये लगा कि like कि ये करना है, एंड लाइक आप आगे जा रहे हो, एंड आप मुंबई में हो, तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर ऑफिस, व्हाई कांट यू कम हियर एंड स्टार्ट टू वर्क. तो मैंने वो कर लिया, एंड आई गॉट प्रमोशन ओवर देयर, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर. आई वाज वर्किंग, आई वाज हैप्पीली, and then my motherhood journey come. I got married in between. Then I came that I was pregnant. I was throughout my pregnancy. I was working until 8 months. And Mumbai Lifeline was so tough that you need to have this train travel and all. Otherwise, you'll not be able to travel. But 8 months stuck, I was actually traveling, and I realized that it's a great that during pregnancy I was working. I used to change train. I used to go to office because I was already got promotion as a product manager. I used to go for a meeting. तो वो सारी चीजें हो ही रही थी, एंड आफ्टर डिलीवरिंग माय बेबी आई हैव टेकन ऑफ for few months because I couldn't go back after my maternity leave, because she was very small, and it was a sleepless nights for me, and it was very tiring. So I realized ki, let me take a break for 1 year, then restart. So I have told my company that I'll not be able to work further, give me leave, then maybe after 1 year I'll be able to join. So it was a 2016 when I conceived, and I have delivered my baby in February 2016, 24th February. And from then I have taken off. And when it was 2017, my daughter was already 1 year, and I thought to go back again to work. So when I gone back and I requested them to take me, they said ki it's not possible because you are just delivered a baby, and I think you'll not be able to focus on your work. So not be able to focus on your work, and you need to start a new start, like executive level, and where I was getting 70,000 as a product manager, they said you'll only get 25,000 because you need to again restart. So then I thought, okay, if it's working from home, I can take this, at least I can take care of my daughter. And but then there was always a issue whenever my daughter is not well. I realized there was always a poking from my office that up se nahi hoga ye, you are not consistent. I think you need to take rest. Then I think, okay, fine, because my daughter was also not keeping well, and that time my husband used to extensively travel on his professional work. So it was like 10 days, north, south, east, west, everywhere. So for me, alone taking care of my daughter was not that easy. I left my job, and I started taking care of my daughter. It was those days, I learned, and I think my podcast is all about that. From there, my life started. The actual life started when I started taking care of my daughter, when my husband was not there, when my daughter is not well. Every time calling doctor and taking appointment, and standing in a long queue with those files with my daughter, it was not possible for me every time. So what I did, I make sure that I started using those natural remedies and techniques which is available at home for my daughter if she is having flu, cough, or constipation, or if she's not eating, or fever. So slowly, and she was having a rashes also. There was a massage on her body. So I make sure that slowly I started my life that way, because I have taken that in a challenge, that if they are saying that a mother can't deal with a professional front and personal front, I make sure that this, I think, like me, there are other mothers also who are actually facing these issues. When you deliver a baby, your importance of giving that service to the professional front has become very less. That I never realized it. I only realized when I have given birth to my daughter. It was a very very बहुत ज्यादा मेरे लिए वो painful था. It was a very painful thing for me, but then I have taken it as a challenge. Slowly I thought that what I can do now. I'm taking care of my daughter, definitely. I'm qualified, I have finished my MBA. Then sitting at home, what I'll do? Then I thought, I already had a experience of travel and tourism. Let me start travel and tourism company. I started 2018 Memories on Board, where I used to deal with the luxurious holidays and with all those clients whoever is going for a bespoke holidays. So I started doing that, and then this COVID came, and March 2019, I used to get lots of bookings, but till the time it comes that COVID hit January, lots of bookings got cancelled, and from March 2019, I was completely uh, there was no booking at all, and I was clueless ki what I need to do now. uh, I was doing it 1.5 years. Uh, और ये करते 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 now there was a time when I realized that अब तो travel तो पूरी बंद हो गई. Now फिर मैं क्या करूँ अभी? There was a like helpless time, but then I discussed with my husband that जब मतलब you were used to travel, जब तुम नहीं थे, I deal with my daughter. कैसे मैंने उसको ये किया, उसकी potty training से लेके when to start new vegetable, और उसको कैसे speech थेरेपी में करना है, उसके साथ बात करना है, किस तरीके से उसको एक-एक माइलस्टोन को आगे बढ़ाना है, 2 चीज़ें जो मैंने उसके साथ की है. लेट मी स्टार्ट सिटिंग एट होम. जो मैं कभी सोचती थी कि वो मदर्स को लेके मैं पहुँचना चाहती हूँ. आई थिंक देन आई वाज़ गोइंग थ्रू सो मेनी थिंग्स. आई यूज्ड टू लिसन सो मेनी पॉडकास्ट स्टोरीज जो फॉर माय डॉटर, जैसे सोहा अली खान started bedtime stories and all. Then I thought, yeah, sitting at home, I think I can do it, because that time lockdown started and I was not having that equipment जो YouTube वो सब के लिए लगता है, तो मेरे पास वो तो नहीं था. But then I thought, I think this is the best way I can start. मेरे पास एक माइक्रोफोन था, एक ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का एक सॉफ्टवेयर था, जहां से मैंने अपने एपिसोड 1 by 1 रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू कर दिया था. एंड लाइक पहले सीजन जो 1 से लेके 10 एपिसोड्स था, वो तो मतलब मेरे पूरे माइलस्टोन जैसे मैंने किया, बिकॉज माय डॉटर वाज हैविंग रैशेस. जो पहले बार उन्होंने वो जो मेड मसाज करती है, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, एंड आई वेंट टू डॉक्टर रनिंग विथ माय डॉटर. एंड उसके बाद एवरीथिंग स्लोली स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल दोस कंटेंट जो मैंने उसके साथ डील किया है. जब कोल्ड होता था तो मैं क्या करती थी, rather than giving those antibiotics जो डॉक्टर लिख के देते थे, I always make sure that I give those natural remedies जिससे उसके बॉडी में जो अच्छे बैक्टीरिया है वो ना मरे. That was my constant conscious effort में मेरा हमेशा ही रहता था कि I don't wanted to give her more antibiotics. जो घर पे natural remedies है उसके साथ ही I wanted to experiment, and it really worked wonder for me. तो फिर मैंने वो सारी चीजें एक-एक करके कि माँ को क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है जो मैंने फेस की है अपनी डॉटर को ग्रो करने में, तो सारी चीजें मैंने धीरे-धीरे आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग 1 by 1 एपिसोड्स, एंड आई स्टार्टेड पब्लिशिंग. हस्बैंड बैठते थे मेरे साथ, बिकॉज़ आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आफ्टर डूइंग दिस वर्क एंड ऑल, एपिसोड्स को रिकॉर्ड करना, उसके कंटेंट तैयार करना, एडिट करना आल्सो टुक लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. तो हस्बैंड ऑफिस के बाद ही यूज्ड टू सिट लेट नाइट विथ मी, एडिटिंग करके देते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू पब्लिश आवर एपिसोड्स. यही माइक्रोफोन यूज करती थी मैं, एंड इट्स वेरी स्टार्टेड विद अ वेरी इनिशियल थिंग आई स्टार्टेड. जब 10 एपिसोड्स हो गए मेरे खुद के, आई रियलाइज दैट सो मेनी मदर्स स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी एंड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि मेरे वो पॉडकास्ट एप्पल पॉडकास्ट पे, स्पॉटिफाई में, हेडफोन पे, गूगल पॉडकास्ट पे, सब जगह पे वो चली गई थी. एंड आई यूज टू गेट कॉल्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, जहाँ पे सारे मदर्स बोल रहे थे कि इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग दैट यू स्टार्टेड दिस एफर्ट एंड यू हैव taught us so many natural remedies, और जो नेचुरल टेक्निक्स है जो घर पे आप कर सकते हो, विच वी वर नॉट अवेयर. तो ये सारी चीजें, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग हैज गिवन मी लॉट्स ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, क्योंकि मैंने तभी वो, दैट हैज गिवन मी अ थॉट कि अगर ये कॉर्पोरेट कहीं बोलता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ योर मदरहुड यू आर नॉट बी एबल टू कंटिन्यू, और आपको छोटे से पोस्ट पे ही बैठना पड़ेगा, देन आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट वर्थ. मदर्स अगर एक बेबी को, मतलब इफ शी डिलीवर्स अ बेबी, इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. And if people doesn't know how to celebrate, we know. So that was my whole and soul idea to start this podcast. Or when all the mothers across the world started approaching me, you really taught us lots of things. There was a lady called Isabel Faria, from Germany. She was having 10-month baby. She called me one day and she was telling me, Shoma, I was listening with my husband, those potty training thing, which you have introduced in your podcast episode, and we learned and we know ki what time we need to put our baby on potty seat, that the right time, how you need to do it. uh, uh, her son name was Lucas. So she was telling me, and slowly, mothers started calling me and emailing me that we would like to feature in your podcast journey, and we would like to share our entrepreneur journey and motherhood journey. So I used to get lots of call, and it's a great to listen from them, because हमें ऐसे लगता है कि इंडियन मदर्स को अगर ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आई थिंक दे डोंट हैव दिस इश्यूज. दे आल्सो डू हैव. वो बच्चों को लेके बहुत सेंसिटिव है, कुछ भी हो या ना हो. दे फील दैट व्हेन दे फॉल सिक, दे नोज हाउ टू डील विद इट. और उनको जब व्हेन दे नीड दैट एनकरेजमेंट, और तभी आती है जब आप एक माँ से और एक माँ एक ये सारी स्टोरी सुनते हो. व्हेन आई हियर फ्रॉम समबडी, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज, और मैं जब उनके बारे में सुनती हूँ कि यार उन्होंने इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रगल करके एक एंटरप्रेन्योरल जर्नी भी वो कर रही है, तो दैट गिव्स मी लॉट्स ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट. Because there was a mother from Nigeria, Idara. She comes to me and she's telling, Shoma, nowadays all the foods are so chemical, filled with chemicals and all. So I started doing organic farming for my family. So it's amazing. Even she's a network marketer, जो नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग भी करती है और ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग भी करती है. तो एक एज ए मदर, शी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट हर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एंड द पर्सनल लाइफ ऑल्सो, कि मेरे बच्चों को, मेरे फैमिली को कैसे हेल्दी रखना है. सो शी हैज टेकन दैट इनिशिएटिव, स्टार्टेड हर ओन ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग. वो दूसरे मदर्स को भी अवेयर करवाती है कि ये कितना जरूरी है कि आप एक मदर ही, दोस इंट्यूशंस कम्स इन मदर्स हेड कि हमारे बच्चे के लिए हम क्या अच्छा कर सकते हैं. So it's a great inspiration. And there was a one more guest was there. She's a chef. She started as a very trainee chef from Calcutta. She has cooked for her so many celebrities. She came, Chef Momita. She's there in my podcast episode. Even we think that chef life is very, they are cooking for the celebrities and all, kitna classy life hoga. But aisa nahi hai. She was telling me, I used to leave behind my daughter at home जब वो बहुत छोटी थी. I used to go to the hotel, the park, जो बड़े बड़े 5-star hotels में. We used to sit there for, मतलब sorry, sit करने का तो मौका ही नहीं मिलता था. They used to stand there for 14 hours, and to make sure that जो celebrities के लिए आ रहे हैं, they cook nicely and they serve it. That's how their professional life lies on. So managing both the things, it's not easy. We see sometimes, girls are coming and talking in front of the camera, mothers are there, and we think that, they are having a classy life. Not at all. Their journey, they wanted to be a very strong. There are so many mothers in the world who feels that हमें बच्चे को भी अच्छे से देखना, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ भी, we need to grow together. So that's how I think. So that intuition and that, that great effort and the strong mental support is very important whenever you do anything, taking care of household, your office work, whatever it is. And the main motto is to take care of your child. So that's what I'm doing it. And there are so many mothers, they are also going to come. And still lined up few of the interviews. A few are from Bangkok, few are from Nigeria. There was a lady, Chakra Healing. She's from Tara. She's a single parent with a daughter, 4 years. She's from New York. There was a lady, 2 girls are there. She's from Los Angeles, Natalia. So they are very sensitive towards their kid, whatever they do, whatever their successful journey. बट उनके लिए बच्चे जो उनकी जो बेबी है वो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है उनके लिए. So they can do anything. So sometime, Tara called me and that day she was telling me, I started using turmeric when you said in your podcast journey that you also, in India you use turmeric so much. And those basil leaves, jo tulsi you call it, I got it in New York and I started using for my daughter. So hearing these things has given, great satisfaction ki chalo hum to use kar hi rahe hain, what I can do for my daughter. And, they also started doing whatever the possible way they can do it. So, as I'm still going on with this thing. There are mothers, one is from Cambridge, Patricia, she's also going to come soon. And there was a Alexandra, she's from Bangkok, she's also going to come. They all are, successful entrepreneurs, but they make sure that their personal life with their baby is also doing good. So few are, believing on natural remedies. I have recorded so many episodes about mom, how they can, keep themselves fresh. Because mentally हम कभी कभी बहुत tired हो जाते हैं when we deal with our baby और घर का सारा करके we feel sometime, even it was happening with me as well. I was thinking at the point of time that what I'm doing, I'm just sitting at home and doing nothing. I'm taking care of my baby and doing household things. I think मेरी तो कोई recognition ही नहीं है. But when my daughter started performing and she started her own podcast, Princess Anayesha show at the age of 4, I realized कि आप अगर अपने बच्चे पे अपना time spend करोगे and उससे ज्यादा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Because I think आपके बच्चे का जो childhood है, it will never come back if you can really start building उनके जो foundation होता है, फिर आपको आगे की आपको सोचने की कुछ मतलब जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो मदर्स के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी कि हम हमेशा पॉजिटिविटी रखें अपने में. आई इवन स्टार्टेड यूजिंग एसेंशियल ऑयल जो घर पे मैं रखती हूँ एंड डिफ्यूज इट एवरी मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग बिकॉज इट रियली वर्क्स. मैंने उसके ऊपर भी एक एपिसोड बनाया है, हाउ डज दैट वर्क. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, मैंने लास्ट ईयर से शुरू किया था. व्हेन आई वाज एट होम, लॉकडाउन चल रही थी, देयर वाज नो मेड एट होम एंड आई वाज मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग. And at the end of the day, it was very tiring for me, very very tiring. And I realized that there should be something which actually controls our anxiety. And that's where I started using those essential oil. And it really gives us those very relaxing, your body and mind, you feel very relaxed, you feel great. And I would like to tell all the mothers in the world, kahin ke bhi, aapko, if you're at home and sitting at home and taking care of your child, आपको ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर, मैं पैसे नहीं कमा रही. आपको यही सोचना है कि मैं अपने बच्चे का जो फाउंडेशन है वो कर रही हूँ. एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेट ऑन दैट बिकॉज इफ माई चाइल्ड विल परफॉर्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल, आई थिंक यू विल बी द वन हु विल फील प्राउड कि मैंने वो टाइम दिया है अपने बच्चे को. बिकॉज दो स्मॉल स्मॉल टाइम, दोज माइलस्टोन्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आपको अपने बच्चे के साथ होना चाहिए, जो मैंने खुद फील किया है. दैट्स व्हाई आई नेवर जॉइंड any of the organization. And I'm successfully running my podcast journey where I got lots of brand collaborations. And I'm now into lots of these things. Mothers are coming, they're talking to me, they're thinking how do we go about it, how we can take our brand. There are so many child brands are there जो बहुत सारे natural होते हैं. They talk to me, they come, how we can take it ahead. So I'm doing that. I'm really happy about this journey. And whoever mothers feel like कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, तो it's always been a great thing. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है when mothers calls me and asking कि मुझे मैं क्या करूँ, what I can do it. And I'm ready to help because जो मैंने go through किया है, I want every mothers not to go through that. अगर मुझसे कोई benefit हो रहा है from my podcast, I would love to give more to them. तो यही मेरी intention रही है अब तक and still I'm doing it. बहुत सारे मदर्स मुझे फोन करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि इट्स ग्रेट थिंग. तो वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं बहुत एम्पावरमेंट देती है. एंड माय this year, this May 10, I have completed 1 year of my podcast. Last year, Mother's Day, on Mother's Day, I have launched my podcast, and it has got 5,000 downloads. So I'm really happy that across the world people are listening, mothers are listening especially. And they are praising about it. So that was my whole and soul idea to start this. And I'm really happy what I'm doing it, because I think मुझे वो चांस मिला है जो मुझे करना चाहिए. अगर मैं कोई कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में जॉब करती और मेरी बेटी को आई यूज्ड टू कीप इट एट होम, तो मुझे ये नहीं मिलता टू शेयर माय स्टोरी, और खुद को एम्पावर करने का कभी मौका नहीं मिलता, विच आई नीड टू लर्न. जो मैंने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से सीखा है, सच बताऊं मैंने कहीं से नहीं सीखा है. दिस ऑल माय हस्बैंड यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल. वो 10-10 दिन के लिए, मतलब यूज्ड टू बी मॉर्निंग, लाइक used to travel for his official tour, and I used to be alone. मैंने उसको कैसे डील किया है, एवरीथिंग. मैं चाहती थी कि मैं दूसरे मदर्स के लिए भी शेयर करूं, ताकि उनको बेनिफिट हो कि अगर उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो क्या करें. बिकॉज अनवांटेड बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम डरते हैं कि घर पे बच्चे के साथ ये करना चाहिए. एंड देयर वाज सो मेनी नोशन अबाउट इट कि आप ये करो तो वो होगा, ये नहीं करो तो वो होगा, बच्चे की मसाज होनी चाहिए, जो मैंने अपनी बेटी को किया. एंड शी गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ रैशेस, एंड इट वाज लाइक हेल्थ हैजार्ड, जो कोई नहीं बताता है. आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस आई गॉट इट. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप मसाज करोगे तो योर बॉडी विल बी, योर बेबीज बॉडी विल बी फिट एंड ही विल गेट ऑल द मेडल और शी विल गेट ऑल द मेडल. ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स ऑलवेज बीन अ बेटर कि आप बच्चे के साथ रहो एंड स्टार्ट जर्नी विद देम. आप इतना अच्छा फील करोगे, विच आई एम फीलिंग नाउ. अनाशा स्टार्टेड, माय डॉटर स्टार्टेड हर जर्नी. वो इतने छोटे में शी स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग हर स्टोरीज, जो अपने मन से वो बनाती है, वो बस उसको रिकॉर्डिंग के सामने बिठा देना है. एंड शी इज लाइक ममा आई वुड लाइक टू. तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है व्हेन आई सी हर परफॉर्मिंग. उसके स्कूल में शी आई सिट विथ हर, बिकॉज आई थिंक मुझे इसीलिए टाइम मिलता है, बिकॉज आई डोंट गिव टाइम टू अदर्स. मैं दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपना टाइम नहीं देती हूँ. आई मेक श्योर दैट आई मैनेज माई थिंग. जैसे मैं अपने टाइम पे पॉडकास्टिंग रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ, जो इंटरव्यूज लाइंड अप होते हैं, आई फिनिश्ड अप इन अर्ली मॉर्निंग एज पर द टाइम. यूके टाइम हुआ तो इवनिंग, बट आई मेक श्योर दैट आई सिट विथ माई चाइल्ड ड्यूरिंग द क्लासेस एंड ऑल. क्या कर रही है, क्या है, और कहाँ पे शी इज लैकिंग, सो दैट आई कैन सिट विथ हर एंड मेक श्योर दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम शी विल नॉट हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड शी पिक्स इट अप. तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो मैं अभी फील करती हूँ कि अच्छा है कि आई नेवर गॉन बैक टू समबडी एंड आस्क मी कि भैया मुझे जॉब दे दो, और रेज्यूमे में भेजती हूँ, प्लीज गिव मी सम जॉब. आई डोंट वांट दैट. आई वांटेड टू create a environment and create a boundary with all the mothers. I want to say that don't feel bad. Create your empowerment, through your ability. जो भी आप कर रहे हो, you are great. मतलब nobody has that question कि भैया आपने बेबी डिलीवर किया है तो you'll not get job. ये होता ही नहीं है. अगर हमने बेबी डिलीवर किया है तो हम हर काम कर सकते हैं. But I am doing it. I'm just sharing out of my experience. मैं क्या फील करती हूँ, और आप अगर if you're really strong enough to face the world, आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. आप बेटी के साथ रैंप वॉक करोगे. That kind of feeling I'm having. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shoma.
Thank
What a
you.
wonderful journey you have. Amazing.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Thank you so much.
It was an amazing journey and inspiring as well. What I thought that your session was missing here, if you could share one or two of the remedies which you have used for the children, that would actually
Yeah.
be added benefit for the audience.
I would like
So
to
you have
share
made
one.
a number of podcasts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मैंने ये चीज देखी है, whenever baby got cold and cough, मतलब, और एक चीज है, मैं एक बात बोलना चाह रही हूँ, बिकॉज एवरी मदर फील्स दैट मेरा बच्चा ज्यादा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है. क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? मतलब जो पड़ोस के बच्चे हैं वो ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, मेरे बच्चे का तो आईक्यू लेवल है ही नहीं. बट वो ऐसा नहीं होता है. आईक्यू लेवल सब बच्चे में होता है. यू जस्ट नीड टू क्रिएट इट कि आप छोटे वक्त से उसको कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो. When I started dealing with my daughter, मैंने 6 month के बाद after feeding, I started giving 2 drops of tulsi juice, जो मतलब as a ritual मैंने एकदम 6 month से ही शुरू कर दिया था उसका. तुलसी के जो जूस होते हैं छोटे वक्त में, 6 month के बाद ही, ये जो तुलसी है, ये 6 month के बाद ही दो ड्रॉप एवरी डे मॉर्निंग खाली पेट में उसको देना ही देना है. तो आई स्टार्टेड विथ माई डॉटर कि वो मतलब इसीलिए मैंने दिया है ताकि उसकी इम्यूनिटी धीरे धीरे बूस्टअप हो और ज्यादा वो बीमार ना पड़े जब वो बड़ी होगी धीरे धीरे. तो अगर ज्यादा बच्चे बीमार पड़ते, उनके जो नर्व्स होते हैं ना, दैट बिकम वेरी वेरी लूज एंड दे फील वेरी लेथर्जी, क्योंकि हमेशा बीमार होते हैं. तो दे आर नॉट एबल टू कोप अप थिंग्स जो उसको वो टाइम पे कोप अप करना चाहिए. और जब मेरी डॉटर ने चबाना शुरू किया, देन आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग दैट रॉ. मतलब दो के साथ मैं एवरी डे मॉर्निंग में हनी में दे देती थी उसको। तो ऐसे कर करके धीरे धीरे मैंने उसका ऐसे इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग शुरू की, और उसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है, कोई भी शुरू कर सकता है, इट हैज नो साइड इफेक्ट। अगर कोई डॉक्टर बोले कि नहीं नहीं आपको मल्टीविटामिन देना है, ये देना है, दैट इज वन थिंग, बट starting with this natural thing, it helps you indirectly to get rid of any kind of fever, flus, जो cold and cough हमेशा बच्चों को होती है, that will not never happen. And tulsi has a immunity booster also, which helps babies not to get unwanted rashes and all जो body में होते हैं, जैसे गर्मी हो गई या तो कोई भी चीज को लेके हो गई, तो they'll not get that. तो वो चीजें मैंने अभी तक रखी है. She is 5 years old now, and I'm continuing that, and now it's become a ritual for her. But once she gets up in the morning, she picks up 2 tulsi, वो खुद से ही ले लेती है, और मतलब she wash it and eat it. तो वो एक चीज मैंने वो फॉलो किया है, क्योंकि आईक्यू लेवल आपका तभी बढ़ेगा जब आपका बच्चे का जो इम्यूनिटी लेवल है एकदम छोटे से, ये नहीं कि बाद में कोल्ड एंड कफ हो गया, मैंने कुछ पिलाया तो शील और विल बी ऑल राइट. आपको छोटे वक्त से ही वो चीज एकदम से मतलब करना है, ताकि बड़े होते 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 she will or he will not develop that kind of tendency to have that cold and cough often. तो वो चीज आपको छोटे वक्त जो मैंने शुरू किया था, and I tell every mother start doing this. और एक चीज है जो मैंने ये देखा है मदर्स को, कोल्ड एंड कफ होता है तो दे इमीडिएटली दे थिंक दैट बच्चे रात को सो नहीं पाते, तो दे आर हैविंग दैट नोज ब्लॉकिंग एंड ऑल. तो क्यों तो लेट्स यूज दोस विक्स, जो विक्स वेपोरब होता है, थोड़ा सा पीठ में एंड छाती पे मालिश कर दिया, एंड दे विल गेट रीड ऑफ दोस कोल्ड एंड कफ. नाक खुल जाएगा, एंड जैसे हम करते हैं, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. वो नहीं होता है कभी भी. जैसे वो हेल्थ हैजर्ड है, वो जैसे मेडिसिन हेल्थ हजार्ड करती है, विक्स भी हेल्थ हजार्ड करती है. आजकल वो बच्चों का भी आया है एलोवेरा के साथ, एंड देयर इज, बट ट्रस्ट मी दैट इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल. वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको तब गेट रीड ऑफ दे देगा वो कोल्ड एंड कफ से. वो मतलब आपको लगेगा कि बच्चा अच्छा सो रहा है, शी इज नॉट हैविंग दैट कोल्ड और नोज ब्लॉकिंग नहीं है, बट वो जो कफ होता है वो कहीं ना कहीं सूख जाता है रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में, धीरे 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 धीरे. वो तब नहीं पता चलेगा, वो जब धीरे धीरे वो डेवलप होगा और ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा, और वो बड़े होते रहेंगे, एंड दे विल हैव दैट प्रॉब्लम इन लेटर स्टेज. ये चीज मतलब इट्स वन थिंग व्हिच आई ऑलवेज फॉलो. तो उसमें तो मैं मस्टर्ड ऑयल यूज करती हूँ, मैंने कभी नहीं लगाया. मैंने विक्स मेरी बेटी को कभी नहीं लगाया, कितना भी कोल्ड कफ हो जाए. आई स्टार्टेड रबिंग ऑन फीट, और जो हाथ के ये पाम होता है, मस्टर्ड ऑयल एवरी नाइट बिफोर स्लीप, एवरी नाइट बिफोर स्लीप. तो वो कंटिन्यू करोगे तो उसपे कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है, एंड विद इन 2-3 days शी और ही विल बी ऑल राइट. और एक चीज है मैं जो बताना चाहती हूँ, आजकल बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा स्क्रीन पे है. वन थिंग इज लाइक कैरेट. कैरेट एक ऐसी चीज है जो बहुत सारी चीजों को गेट रीड ऑफ करेगी. आप किसी भी फॉर्म में उसको दे दो, उसको मतलब दैट कलर इटसेल्फ इज इट्स वेरी गुड, कि वो आईज को अच्छा रखेगा, बॉडी को अच्छा रखेगा, एंड कॉन्स्टिपेशन बच्चों को नहीं होगा. इट्स सो गुड दैट यू कैन गिव एनी फॉर्म. जब बच्चा खाने लगेगा स्मैश करके दे दो, या तो वॉट एवर द फॉर्म, यू कैन कुक इन मिल्क, यू कैन गिव. उसमें से आंखों की जो पावर है उसमें बहुत हेल्प करती है. जो मैंने मतलब स्मैशी थिंग्स तो मैंने बहुत पहले से ही दी थी, एंड द कैरेट इज द बेस्ट फूड मैंने देखा है उसका. इट हैज अ नेचुरल स्वीटनर, आपको कुछ स्वीट ऐड करने की उसमें जरूरत नहीं है. इट कैन रियली वर्क वंडर. तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो आप, तो मतलब वो जो आईक्यू लेवल के बारे में मैं बोल रही थी, आप अगर छोटे वक्त से ये करोगे तो बच्चा धीरे धीरे बीमार नहीं पड़ेगा, एंड ही विल पिक अप. 5 साल तक बच्चों का ब्रेन बहुत ज्यादा हाईली बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वो रैपिडली ग्रोथ करता है. तो इतने में अगर वो और शील नॉट फॉल सिक, देन डेफिनेटली शील डेवलप अ गुड आईक्यू लेवल आल्सो. वो जल्दी ग्रैप करेगा, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. बच्चों में कोई फ्लॉ नहीं होता है, इट्स जस्ट द सिस्टम. अगर वो ज्यादा बीमार पड़े तो वो चीजों को कोप अप नहीं कर सकते बच्चे, द वे वी डू इट. हमको अगर 2-3 दिन कोल्ड हो जाता है, वी फील वेरी लेथर्जिक, वी डोंट फील लाइक गेटिंग अप फ्रॉम बेड. तो हमारे लिए इट्स बिकम वेरी बैड. तो बच्चों के लिए तो होता ही है, दे फील वेरी बैड, दे स्टार्ट क्राइंग एंड ऑल. तो ये सारी चीजें इट हेल्प्स. टर्मरिक है जो बहुत हेल्प करती है. आप कोल्ड हो रहा है तो नाइट में बिफोर स्लीप थोड़े से हनी में, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नोज, बट आई यूज्ड टू डू इट, जो मैं करती थी. ये सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत हेल्प करती है बच्चों को. अगर ये हम छोटे वक्त से ही करने लगे, एंड जो स्वीट लाइम जूस 6 मंथ के बाद से यू कैन स्टार्ट गिविंग स्वीट लाइम जूस डे टाइम में. एवरी डे आप दे सकते हो हाफ कप. एवरी डे स्वीट लाइम जूस इट्स हेल लॉट्स ऑफ विटामिन सी होता है उसमें और बहुत अच्छा काम करता है बच्चों के बॉडी के लिए. स्वीट लाइम जूस इट हेल्प्स टू क्लियर द मोशन, उनके इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग में बहुत काम आती है. एंड इट्स रियली नाइस.
Great,
ये
great,
सारी
great.
चीजें अगर करें हम तो आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी बेबी विल हैव एनी इश्यूज. और कोई भी माँ बोलेंगे कि मेरे बच्चे का आईक्यू लेवल नहीं अच्छा है तो ही इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, क्योंकि छोटे वक्त से वी नीड टू प्रेशर ऑन इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग और कैसे मतलब उसके पूरे सिस्टम पे हम अगर काम करें तो थिंग्स विल बी ऑल राइट फॉर द लाइफ टाइम.
True. Well said, Soma ji. Well said. And I also believe कि जैसा हम करते हैं बच्चे हमारे देखते हैं और उसी चीज को फिर वो कॉपी भी करते हैं. आपने
Absolutely.
पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया, आपने उस पर काम किया और बच्चों ने भी उसको कॉपी किया और आज देखिए आपका बच्चा भी जो है वो भी एक पॉडकास्टर है. ठीक है.
Absolutely.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Absolutely.
आपने अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताया. वेरी ट्रू. और
Thank you.
मैं सभी लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्लीज ऑल कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स, एक पोल आ रहा है आपकी स्क्रीन पे, प्लीज उस पर जरा एक्शन कीजिए और उसके बाद में जरा हमें बताइए कि हाउ वाज दिस सेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. 1 is for the least engaging and 5 is for the highest engaging. In the meantime, I will also like to tell everyone that MS Talks is organizing online international impromptu speaking championship 2021. होता क्या है कि जब हम पढ़ लिख के जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीजें बोल लेते हैं, बट अचानक से कोई चीज अगर हमारे सामने आती है तब हमें कैसे रिएक्ट करना है, कैसे बोलना है, कैसे उस चीज पे एक्शन करना है, वो चीज अगर आप समझते हैं कि आपको आती है या आप सीखना चाहते हैं तो इससे बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी कोई नहीं है. ये इवेंट 29 मई को है जो कि सैटरडे है और प्लीज उसके लिए आप लोग अपने आप को एनरोल कर सकते हैं. मैं शेरी सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, सर इसके लिए कोई वीडियो अगर हमारा है तो हम उसको दिखा सकते हैं प्लीज.
Sure, Deepak. Deepak, can we unshare the poll results and then I can start the video?
Yeah, I've done it, sir.
मन बलवान लागे चट्टान रहे मैदान में आगे जो झुंझार होते यार वही सरदार सलागे धार को काटे तीर धरे सन्नाटे जब वीर भरे हुंकारे
Over to you, Deepak.
Awesome, sir. Awesome.
Thank you.
It is very important for everyone, and I would request everyone to join this online impromptu speaking championship and show that you are a real superhero. And before we move on, I would request anyone to please share their own public speaking ka tadka. And what is public speaking ka tadka? I'll tell
For
you.
that, Deepak, can we felicitate the speaker first and then we can
Yeah,
go to the
sure.
next section?
Okay.
Yeah, let's complete the first section.
Okay. So, sir, please allow me, and I'm sharing the screen.
Sure.
Let's felicitate Ms. Soma.
So, dear Soma, thank you very much for such informative, insightful, and inspiring session. We cannot give you much, but please accept our heartfelt gratitude and this digital certificate of appreciation for your wonderful session today at PSI community. We are really grateful to you for inspiring each one of us during these tough times of COVID-19. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this small gesture. I'm really happy. This means a lot to me because this is the, I think the first public speaking platform where I came and spoke about my experience, my life journey. I would like to thank you, Deepak ji, Suresh. Thank you so much for calling me. Thank you, Sherry sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure, and may I request all of us to please just give a round of applause for the speaker of the day. Just unmute and give a round of applause. He deserves every bit of it. Thank you very much, Soma. Over
Thank
to
you,
Deepak.
everyone.
Thank you so much. Ji.
Thank you,
And with
Deepak.
regard to public speaking ka tadka, I would like to
Can I
say,
share something?
yeah, please,
Okay.
Bharti ji.
Soma, it has been an amazing journey. I've known you as a friend, but listening to you today, talking about so passionately about your work, it was amazing, and the kind of challenges that you went through. I was in awe of your story. So thank you, and thank you, Deepak, for inviting me. Otherwise, I would have missed this story that Soma shared. And Sherry, you're doing wonderful. I mean, I looked at your mission and I was like, wow, here is a man who's on a mission to roll all the people, like giving the voice to people. That's something. I would say it's very blissful journey that you're doing. And my respect has increased tremendously for you. Thank you so much.
Bharti, thank you
Wonderful
so
job.
much. You are here today. I'm very happy. I'm very happy by seeing you that you are here today. Thank you. Thank you so much, for these words which you really felt. And thank you.
Thank you very much, Bharti ji. I'm sure your words will be boosting the confidence of Soma ji. And this
Definitely.
will
No.
also inspire others as well to not just stay back and bring the things in front of the people so that
Definitely.
everybody knows that yes, there is something which they can also share.
Right.
So I would request anyone from the community member to please tell us something what they have learned from the public speaking, or they have reflected to the audience which they have connected, the add-on which you put into anything. And in public speaking, it is only the content which is there, your emotions, your way of expression, that could be also a part of it. So it is up to you how you want to share it and what you want to share it. So I'd request anyone to please come up and share their views.
Come on, guys. We are just requesting you to share your learning, your current observation, or anything which you know about public speaking, which you would like to share. It's a golden opportunity to share your thoughts and ideas with everybody in the community.
I would love to share that.
Yeah, go ahead, Gaurav.
Hi guys, this is Gaurav Jain. You can call me GJ. And public speaking, what I understand as my personal this thing is, we know ourselves a bit, right? But when we go on the stage, people tell us who we are. That's one. Number two, we are seeing lot many different speakers on the stage. When they come and we see the other world basically. Sometimes whenever we are speaking our heart out, we are speaking our story. But when we listen somebody else's story, we are like, oh my god, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है. So small things वो कैसे अपने expression से stories बताने साथ शोमा जी ने भी बताया. The amazing stories, amazing experiences, clients के, friends के. So what I believe is public speaking mein, what I am learning every day with this amazing community, that everyone has something amazing to share which they have already experienced, right? And this is something which we can learn from these wonderful people, small things. I mean, about the eyes movements, how we have to, hold the mic, what are the stories, jokes, how do we should start, a lot many things. And whenever we get any competition sort of a thing, like we are coming up with this 29th May, the event which is happening, this is a golden opportunity wherein we can see that, okay, this is something how I can differentiate myself, how I can, give my best shot wherein I can shine and make a difference. So that's about it. Thank you.
Lovely. Anyone else who would like to share?
I would also like to share Paya's side.
Go ahead.
Actually,
get
sir,
next.
what happens is that sometimes we just rehearse.
Payal, is it possible to switch on the camera?
It's actually I'm in the hall in a very it's
Go
not
ahead, go
possible. I'm really
Go ahead.
sorry.
Sure, no problem.
So we sometimes we just don't miss the very important part, that is about the distraction. We don't practice with distraction, and when you are speaking in public, it had to happen that you will get certain distraction. किसी का phone बजेगा, कोई पानी लेने के लिए उठेगा या कोई आपस में बात करेगा. So whenever you are practicing, what I have noticed is कि you should practice with the distractions also. कहीं से कोई distraction आ रही हो, बच्चे आ रहे हैं अगर disturb करने, तो let them come. Only then you can come out of that thing. You can manage your audience. This is what I have felt in my career in this thing, public speaking.
Sherry, I would like to say something.
Go ahead, go ahead.
So for me, public speaking, I've already stated earlier also, the personal connect is most important, and that happens automatically if you share your life. Because no study of hormones is required over there. Because if you share your life, automatically hormones will come and connect will be there. And with regard to Soma talk, it was fantabulous. It was easily said, but a difficult journey. Hats off to that. Sorry.
Thank you. I think this is turning out to be very informative today. I'll quickly add my tadka also, Deepak, if you allow.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sure. Awesome. I'm sure many of us come across situation as public speakers where we have to repeatedly certain content, or we have to repeatedly use certain content, I would say, or some story, or some illustration, or some information. Don't you think at times that I have already shared this in my last session? What will be the effectiveness if I will share it again? Or what will people will think? Well, the answer to this is, let's go back to the history. And let's refer to one example, one famous example. And this guy, Russell is actually the founder of Acres of Diamonds, which later on became a very popular book. And this gentleman has given one single speech more than 5,000 times. So how did he do that? How can he maintain the same legacy, the same breadthness and freshness in the same speech? Well, the answer is, when you speak any content with the same concentrated thought and feeling, that concentrated thought and feeling creates life in your words. Words are just causes. What matters is how you put across your feeling and how you put across your emotion towards the content. And that's what makes the content alive, fresh, and it gives breath to every single word. Thank you.
Great, sir. Thank you. That was more than a nugget. This is bottom line of any content. You cannot survive without you have something which you can deliver with emotions. And I believe personally that every time when you speak, emotions automatically flow. The more you are versed with the content, the more better your emotions will come out. So with this, it's now time to bid goodbye to everyone. Please do take very good care of yourself and ensure to stay safe, stay fine, and don't miss out next Thursday again with another amazing session on the PSI Community Thursday training session. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.